So here is the lens with the taillight on through the panel, and there is the brake lights through the panel. And from a few feet away, you can't even tell that that this is a repair. It looks actually part of the original lens because of the grid pattern and the color that's on there. As opposed to that other product, it's the color is not right on that one. It's too light, whereas this one is a darker red, and it really can come out nice. I'm really happy. Here's the original lens. No repair on that lens. And here is the repaired lens with the Glasstar America lens repair kit. And there you go. I fully recommend this product for a broken taillight instead of the tape.